Guys, today we are making cinnamon rolls. For that, I am going to show you the ingredients that we need to make the dough. For that, I have taken instant yeast. I have taken 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. I have taken 1 egg. I have taken half cup of unsalted butter, half cup white granulated white sugar, half cup milk, and a half teaspoon of salt in a very big bowl to mix everything. I've added milk, sugar, and the unsalted butter. I'm going to let it melt, the butter melt, and then I'll show you how we're going to make the dough. I've taken 2 cups of flour in this bowl. I have also added the yeast and I've added the salt. Now I'm going to add the butter mixture and I'm going to add 1 egg. Is completely mixed well. I'm going to knead it for a few minutes and I'll show you. The dough is absolutely ready. It's soft, and I'm going to keep it in this big bowl for 15 to 20 minutes to rise. If you want to keep it for half an hour, you can do so. I'm just going to keep it for 25 minutes. I have taken 1/3 cup of brown sugar, light brown sugar, and 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, and I'm going to add it, and we will make this mixture cinnamon for our cinnamon roll. I have taken out the dough. It's quite soft, and I'm going to now shape it into a rectangular shape, and then I'm going to mix the cinnamon, spread over it, and I kept it for rising for 20 minutes, and now we're going to be preparing the cinnamon rolls. As you know that the flour has been have rolled the dough in a rectangular shape, and I have also added in the I have spread butter. I had taken 3 tablespoons of butter and I had spread it all over, and now I have added some cinnamon and the sugar mixture, and I'm going to roll it. I have cut the cinnamon rolls and I have cover it with a cling film for 25 minutes for it to rise, because I want them to rise double in size a bit. After I had rolled out the dough, I had folded it in a rectangular shape. I had rolled the dough and I had cut these small inches of it. I have missed that shot, but you just the rectangular shape, you just have to fold it and then you have to cut the small pieces, so it looks like this kind of a shape. So we will wait for it to rise and then we'll put it in the oven. So guys, I have taken them out after 26 minutes and the cinnamon rolls are absolutely ready. You can see this little bit thing seeping out. I think it's the butter that has melted while it was baking. So I would say that even if you feel like if these cinnamon rolls are done in 20 minutes, then you should take them out. Don't let them extra bake. So these cinnamon rolls are really delicious, tasting good. Let them cool down and then enjoy them with any cream cheese frosting or anything that you enjoy. Sugar icing or cream cheese frosting, you can do that. I like to enjoy them like this with my tea. So